When you search for the best foot spa massage machine, everything looks the same. Same promises, same features. But to really know what works and what doesn't, you have to look a bit deeper. Product number 1, Homedics Bubble Mate. The Homedics Bubble Mate Foot Spa caught my eye immediately with its inviting design and affordable price of $34.99. If you want a simple way to rejuvenate your tired feet after a long day, this is worth a serious look. This foot spa has an invigorating bubble massage feature, which helps soothe overworked feet. The raised nodes add an extra element of massage, targeting specific pressure points. Plus, the removable pumice stone allows you to take care of calluses while you relax. The toe touch control means you can turn it on and off without getting your hands wet, which is really convenient if you're already in a comfy position. With a solid 4.4-star rating from nearly 40,000 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice among buyers. Now, some people complained about it being a bit small for larger feet. But here's the thing, if you're someone who just wants a relaxing foot bath without needing to accommodate every foot size, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option that focuses on simplicity and ease of use. Skip this one if you want something with advanced features or if you have larger feet that may not fit comfortably. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more comprehensive massage experience. Product number 2, Miko Foot Massager. The Miko Foot Massager machine is a bit pricier at $169.99, but it offers a deep-kneading shiatsu experience that caught my attention. If you're dealing with chronic pain or just want a luxurious foot massage, this is definitely worth considering. This machine doesn't just vibrate, it uses 5 air pressure settings along with heat therapy to improve blood flow and relieve pain. The unique Petrissage Max technology provides a rolling and compression massage without locking your ankles, which is great for freedom of movement. Customers rave about its effectiveness for conditions like plantar fasciitis and neuropathy, reflected in its 4.5-star rating from over 17,000 reviews. However, some users mentioned it might be too intense if you're sensitive to pressure. But here's the thing, if you like a stronger massage, you'll appreciate the depth of relief it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive foot massage experience that targets multiple pain points. Skip this one if you prefer a gentler touch or have smaller feet, as it fits up to men's size 12 comfortably. Now, if the Miko's intensity bothered you, the next product takes a different, more soothing approach. Product number 3, Medical King Foot Spa. Next up is the Medical King Foot Spa, which is priced at $55.99. This caught my attention with its numerous features packed into a portable design. If you want a versatile spa experience at home, definitely give this one a look. This machine offers a heated foot bath with adjustable temperature settings, which is a game changer for those cold days. It also features powerful bubble jets and a removable pumice stone for effective callus removal. With 14 massage rollers that contour to your feet, it's designed to provide comfort and relief at multiple angles. Plus, the 4.3-star rating from over 8,500 reviews shows that many people are satisfied with its performance. That said, some users found the bubbles a bit underwhelming compared to expectations. But honestly, if you're mainly looking for heat and massage, you might find this still works well for you. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, feature-rich foot spa that's easy to use. Skip this one if you're specifically after a more intense massage experience or want a larger tub. Alright, that was an interesting choice. But the next product on my list takes relaxation to another level. Product number 4, KNQZE Collapsible Foot Spa. The KNQZE Collapsible Foot Spa, priced at $99.99, is an innovative blend of a foot bath and massager. If you appreciate a sleek design and multiple functionalities, this one should definitely be on your radar. This unit features a heated soak basin that goes from 95 degrees F to 118 degrees F, which is perfect for quick warming. Plus, it has oxygen bubbles for that luxury spa feel. The collapsible design makes it easy to store, which is a bonus if you have limited space. With a solid 4.3-star rating from about 4,000 reviews, it's gaining traction. However, some users mention that the motorized massage balls can be a bit noisy. But look, if you value a thorough massage and don't mind a little sound, this could be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you want a dynamic spa experience that's easy to store. Skip this one if noise is a deal breaker for you or if you prefer a traditional massage style. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact, check out my final recommendation. Product number 5, HOSPAN Collapsible Foot Spa. Finally, we have the HOSPAN Collapsible Foot Spa at a very budget-friendly price of $44.99. This caught my eye for its ease of use and simple design. If you're after something no fuss that still delivers relaxation, this could be your pick. This foot spa features intelligent temperature control to maintain warmth without needing constant hot water. The bubble feature adds a gentle massage experience, and it's easy to drain and carry, making it user-friendly for everyone. Despite having a 4.2-star rating from around 2,600 reviews, it's still quite popular. However, some users have found it lacking in power compared to other models. But honestly, if you want a straightforward, relaxing foot bath without all the bells and whistles, this could work perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective foot spa that's easy to store. Skip this one if you need more intense massage settings or a larger unit. So there you have it, 5 great options for foot spa massage machines, each with its own unique strengths and a few drawbacks. Whether you're looking for luxury or budget-friendly relaxation, one of these should fit your needs perfectly. To recap, the Homedics Bubble Mate is great for budget-conscious users, while the MIKO offers a deep, therapeutic experience. The Medical King is versatile, while the KNQZE adds modern features. Lastly, the HOSPAN is perfect for simplicity. Whatever your needs, there's a foot spa here for you.